Have you ever interacted with a machine that can understand and respond to you in natural language? Have you ever seen a computer system that can accurately identify an object in an image? Well, that's the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI refers to the ability of a machine to mimic human intelligence and perform tasks that would typically require human thinking. It's like having a superhero sidekick that can recognize faces, translate languages, and make decisions just like us. There are two types of AI. The first one is called narrow AI or weak AI, which is designed for specific tasks. Think of Siri on the iPhone. The second one is called general AI or strong AI, which performs any intellectual task that a human can. It's like having, again, a superhero sidekick that can do just about anything. So how does AI work exactly? Well, imagine having a massive notebook filled with tons of examples, and you can ask a machine to look at these examples and learn from them. The machine uses these examples to build what is called a model, and a model is used to make predictions and decisions. This is called machine learning, and it's the backbone of AI. Now, you might be wondering, what are the real-world applications of AI? Well, let me give you a few examples. AI is already transforming the healthcare industry by analyzing vast amounts of patient data to help doctors make more accurate diagnosis. AI is also changing the finance industry by automating manual tasks and making data-driven decisions. And in the near future, AI might even help us explore new planets. But with all these benefits, there are some concerns. What if AI systems make decisions that end up harming people? What if AI systems perpetuate existing biases? These are all important questions that society needs to consider as we continue to develop and use AI. So now you know what AI is and what it can do. But here's a question for you. How do you think AI is going to change our world in the future?